Welcome to our step-by-step installation guide for the Aziot 12-watt smart COB light. Let's begin by unboxing the product. Inside the box you will find the COB light with a driver, a thank you card and a user manual. Our COB light is available in two color variants, black and white. Now let's move ahead with the installation process. Step 1. Switch off the MCB. Begin by opening the driver's terminal cover. Once the input terminal cover is opened, you will see two screw terminals inside. Take a closer look. You'll notice two markings. The terminal labelled N is for the neutral connection, and the terminal labelled L is for the live connection. Step 2. Making the connections. Start with the neutral wire. Connect the black wire to the N terminal. Next, connect the live wire to the L terminal. Once the connections are made, place the cover back securely. Step 3. Turn on the MCB. Switch on the COB light. If the COB light starts blinking, this means it is in configuration mode and ready to integrate with the app. If the COB light does not blink, follow these steps. Switch the light on and off 5 times. Once it starts blinking, you can proceed with the app integration. Step 4. App integration. Open the Smart Life app and click on Add Device. The app will search for nearby devices. Select your device, enter your Wi-Fi name and password, then tap Next. Wait while the device is being added. Once successfully added, click Done. Let's check it out. Open the app and select your device. You'll arrive at the device control screen where you can see the light is already on. From here you can turn the light on or off, adjust the color temperature between cool white and warm white, and control the brightness to your preference. Step 5. Explore scene options. You'll find pre-built scenes for various activities like good night, reading, working, and leisure. Additionally, go to the settings section for advanced features. Key features include the scheduling option, which allows you to set the light to switch on or off at specific times. A Do Not Disturb mode, which keeps the device in its current state and prevents any changes via the app or voice commands. Next, let's integrate the COB light for voice control. Integration with Alexa. Open the Alexa app and tap More at the bottom right. Navigate to Skills and Games and search for the Smart Life app. Select the app and click Enable to Use. Agree and link the accounts. Wait for Smart Life to confirm the linking, then tap Close. Let Alexa find your device. Once the device is found, click Next. Rename the device if you wish or skip this step. You may also add the device to a group, but we'll skip this for now. Once set up, you'll see the linked device in Alexa, showing its current state that is on or off. Let's test Alexa.
Alexa, switch off the smart COB light.
Integration with Google Home. Open the Google Home app and tap the settings icon at the bottom right. Under the Services section, select Works with Google. Search for the Smart Life app and select it. Click Continue and agree to link your Google account with Smart Life. Once linked, you'll be taken to the Add Smart Home Device screen. Assign the device to a room, then click Next. Let's test Google Home.
Hey Google, turn off the smart COB light.
Done. Integration with Siri. Open the Smart Life app and tap the scene icon at the bottom. Select Create Scene and choose Launch Tap to run. In the Then section, tap the plus icon and select Control Single Device. Pick the device and select the desired function, on or off. Save the scene and assign a name for your Siri trigger phrase. For example, use Turn on Smart COB light. Repeat the process to create a command for turning the light off with a trigger phrase like Turn off Smart COB light. Finally, add these commands to Siri shortcuts. Tap Add to Siri. Click the plus sign in front of each command. Let's test Siri.
Hey Siri, turn on the smart COB light.
Okay, done.
Thank you for watching this guide. For further queries or assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.